Nowadays a car has become much more than just an easy mode of transportation. It has transcended the age where the things were manually checked after regular intervals. Those who owned the older generations of cars were usually worried if all the things under the hood, outside the car or inside the cabin were functioning well. And this was because at that time there was nothing like the car warning lights equipped on the dashboard. But now, cars have become as sophisticated as you can imagine. They are now fitted with electronic sensors that sense any trouble in the car and alert you on time, thus making it easier to monitor the vehicle. The modern-day dashboard comes with many warning lights that indicate problems occurred in your vehicle, or alert you in advance the key areas which require an immediate check. And to take a timely action, it is highly important for any car owner to understand the car dashboard warning lights. Oil pressure warning light. What it means. This old-fashioned oil can symbol indicates that there is an issue with your car's oil pressure system. Either you're running low on oil or your oil pump isn't circulating enough fluid to properly lubricate the surfaces inside your engine. Some car dashboards will display the word, oil, instead of this symbol. What to do? Poor engine lubrication can cause major engine damage, so this is an important warning to pay attention to. Pull over as soon as it is safe, turn off the vehicle, and check the oil. Look around the engine bay for obvious oil leaks, and then pull out the oil dipstick to check the fluid level. If the oil level is low, then the light may go off when you add oil. If it has enough oil but the engine is running noisy, it might be an issue with the oil pump. If the oil level is okay and the engine is running smoothly, your oil pressure sensor may be malfunctioning. In any case, it's important to bring your vehicle in ASAP to let a mechanic take a look and address whatever is causing the low oil pressure.
Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more. If you find this video useful, please like and share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll respond.